To connect the Soundcore R50i earbuds to your Android phone via the app, all you need to do is simply go ahead and grab your phone and then install the Soundcore companion app. So just go to the Google Play Store, tap on search, and then simply you type in Soundcore and then search for that. You can see Soundcore listed right here, so tap on it to view the app details, confirm by it's by Anchor, and then just install it. As you can see, mine is already installed, so all I need to do is simply tap on open. From here, you'll then be prompted to go ahead and set up the app. This includes giving the necessary permissions, as well as logging in or creating your own Soundcore app. This is so that you can be able to use the app to its fullest capabilities. Once you've done all of that, you'll then be brought to this page. So all you need to do is simply remove the buds from the charging case, like so. And with this, it means that they've been put in pairing mode, and if you've previously connected via Bluetooth only, they'll be automatically connected to your Android phone. From here, you're then going to select the option, add a device, and wait for your app to detect the buds. As you can see, they've already been detected successfully, and so all you need to do is simply tap on them like so to establish the connection, and they've been connected successfully. Now you can start using this app whenever it comes to customizing the touch controls, entering gaming mode, or even just customizing the base of your Soundcore R50i buds. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.